Malusog talaga yan. Marami siyang vitamins. Ikaw, may vitamins ka ba? Bagsak mo yung vitamins mo. Yun na guys. Sabihin mo hi. Mag-hi ka mo.
Hi guys, I'm Maria. So, I need the gift.
Sabihin mo, I'm
I'm
new.
done.
Sabihin mo, I'm newbie. Newbie.
I am newbie.
She's a newbie.
New baby.
New baby. New. Yeah, but she don't have account here. Share with me. So guys, you don't watch every you don't watch any account. She only live here. She's my special guest. Come on. If you want, you can drop here. Come on. Kamukha mo yun. Kaya kasi Maria na nga yung kasarap mo yun. Come on na guys, huwag kayong magtipid. Ang tipid-tipid nyo din. Kinay, ano? Ah!
Guys, send the gift. I need the gift.
Sabihin mo, shoutout ano, 722.
Shoutout 734. So, ano na?
Ano na nga? Ano, manonood lang kayo. Ay, hindi ba nang... Sige, sabihin ko na. Wifi gabi. Bye. Wait na. Maybe I connected to another. Sorry for lost info. May kita continue. My gosh, wala kang wifi. Ayan yan. Maria. Hold you like make
Ah!
Yun. The wifi kasi is not good eh. May battery. Mag-surprise na lang kasi kayo. Para kayo dyan. Maybe you try the surprise and then no need wifi. It's good the wifi connection. Yeah, because nagsimpa kasi yun. Yeah, turo mo kayo surprise. Mag-surprise na lang sila.
Here guys, if you want surprise, let's go. I got you.
Oo. Pata wala namang kwento yung wifi. Mag-surprise. Ano hihirapan sa wifi eh. Kanina pa ako nag-join. Trend to isa. Ayan. Sige. Ah! My gosh.
So, ako na lang ako.
Hi, commentary send. Yeah, you're gonna send the gift and then we're gonna surprise. Ano ba gusto mo surprise? Siya, surprise sa kanya. Ay, bibigyan ka ng surprise. Simba ng surprise ni Maria.